For this round, each correct answer, you will get 5 points. You will get 5 points and you are correct. And you have 3 words to spell. And since there's no choices, or there are no choices, you will be given 20 seconds to write your answer. Okay po? Now, let's start our difficult round. Pencils up. Pencils up. Pencils up. It is the number that comes after 8. Spell the word 9. Wait, not yet. Spell the word, pencils up. Spell the word 9. Ready, go. Hands up, pencils up more. No more writing. No more writing. And pencils down. Okay, let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is N-I-N-E. 9. Let's wait for the result. Number 4, 5, 10, and 12 got the correct answers. Yes, now let's go to the next word. Pencils up. Up, up, up. It is the body part that helps us to smell. Spell the word. Oh, mark pencils up. Higher, higher. Spell the word nose. Ready, go. Alright, time's up. Pencils up. No more writing po. Good job. Okay. Wow, what are the last word for today? Okay, but let's wait first. Who got the correct answer? Number 5, 10, and 12 got the correct answer. And we're down to the last word for today. Are you ready? Are you still with me? Are you ready, Paul? Yes, Paul. Now pencils up. Pencils up. Up, 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 up. Up. The last word for today. The last word is, now look at the picture. What is that? Okay, oh, pencils up. Spell the word tree. Tree. Ready, go. Tree. Tree. Time's up. Time's up po. No more writing. Alright, and that's the end of our spelling bee finals for the pre-kindergarten level. Put up your hands for yourself. Up your hands. Come on. Yes, but before that, let's check who got the correct answer. Number 5 and number 10 got the correct answer. Alright. Now that's the end for while we are waiting for the result. I will ask some questions. Hi, what's your name? Artie. Who's with you today? Mommy. Mommy, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? There. And what do you want to say to Mommy? Because she helped you, right? Thank you for helping. Wow, thank you for helping po. And of course, dear kids, since we are all done, just like I told you a while ago, you are all winners, right? So can you tap your back? Do like this, tap your back, and say, good job, Sal. Good job, Sal. Good job, Sal. And also, can you please say thank you to Mommy and Daddy? Can you say thank you po? Number 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you. Yes, thank you po, because I know that Mommy and Daddy helped you. Can I see your smiles? If you're happy, can you show me your smile? Let me see your smile, smile, smile. Wow. Let me see your fun face. 3, 2, 1, let it. Another fun face. 3, 2, 1, go. Another fun face. 3, 2, 1, go. That's so cute. And since you're all done, you need also to congratulate your schoolmates. So can you shake the hands of the person beside you? There's no shake hands. Yes, good job. And now let us all sit up straight. Sit up straight. Hands on your lap. Wow, you're congratulating everyone. We both are. Kasi di ba tumusin natin sa label? Alright, well, go back to your seat na po. Let us now check the result. But remember, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Remember, whatever the result is, you are all very good. Yes, you're all very good. Dear parents, let's tell them very good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Very
good. Wow, very good. And now, let's have the result for. Okay. I will say the name and then the grand total na lang po. Chen Allison A, 6 points. De Castro Bella Calixta, 17 points. D, Leticia Isabel, 17 points. Feeler Chance, 25 points. Gallego Dimitri Lay, 38 points. Leon Maria Dasha, 13 points. Ignacio Lorene Angela Jane, 12 points. G. Killian L, 4 points. Manuel Art Roland, 21 points. Nashon G and RJU, 32 points. Reyes Caitlin Joyce, 12 points. Villarino Athena Bella, 33 points. And I think we have our winners. Okay, thank you so much, boys. Now, before we announce and before we give the certificates and awards, may I call on to our admin, Miss Becco. Let's give her a round of applause.
may memorable na si Mommy Death. Okay. Again, Taylor, congratulations. Happy po si Miss Pedro. You are the best of the best sa klase ninyo. At again, thank you po, Quizzy coordinators. And to my parents, good morning po. Pasensya na po, nag-grab ko yung opportunity for now. Actually, nahihiya pa talaga ako. But sabi ko, this is the first time that I will ask a favor ng mga parents ko. For 27 years ng service namin sa school, ngayon lang po ako mapawakapan ng buha. It's about my husband. Actually, I didn't, I really